Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Somewhere different this week, we're in Van. And oh look, that's probably Scotland over there. I think, is it? Will it be? Yeah, I think it will be, won't it? We're off to Gilgarran, Cumbria's finest enduro play day. Well, no, Cumbria's finest. What do you call it? Enduro venue. Yes. I don't know if you follow Johnny Walker. He was up here last time it was opened. It's up for 2 days because it's the bank holiday weekend. And this is the sort of views we're getting. Now that over there, I believe it is. It's Scotland, isn't it? Bit that sticks out above Carlisle, because Carlisle's up sort of that area up there, and then that comes round, and that's Scotland, and back there will be the Isle of Man. So yeah, if you fancy a bit of hopefully a bit of off-roading Hare and Hound sort of enduro thing, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
Well, welcome back YouTubers. Here we are at the start of the Gilgarran. So we've done a long lap round already. And probably not going to be much commentary on this. I'll be concentrating too much. So we've done the long route round. We're just going to go and do a short route and show you guys what this is all about. Like I say, this place is just outside Whitehaven, between Whitehaven and Workington. And it's technical in some places and sort of non-technical in others. There's an easy route. Well, there's a route and there's a hard route. Oh, which so there's a couple of routes. There's a route and a hard route. It's flagged as an easy. Some of it. Hey up. And some of it, we're panting down the microphone. Some of it's easy-ish. Oh, wasn't ready for that. And some of it's not so easy. But first time to a place like this, for me, it's a bit should be concentrating, not talking. So that was a bit of everything. Bit of a technical, bit of a section we've just been through. And oh dear, leave that front brake alone, Si, especially on mud, on grass. There's one for the gram. I did alright before. I didn't fall off there. See, I'm not used to a bit of grass, a bit of mud. Oh, this was a bit we did before, because it's quite loose. And it's yeah, keep off that front brake side. And if it was a bit muddier, it probably wouldn't be as bad, would it? Really? I thought it was straight up that. I think it was a hard, but it isn't. It goes up to the right, doesn't it? That bike, if you saw it just there, that was Aaron from Knox. Because they're from round here, aren't they? Whitehaven, Cleatamore. Yeah, so some of this it says it's easy. It's like, oh yeah. So we've been that way. That's a long route which you can go. We're still, it takes you through that field and does this stuff. And this is the short route which we didn't do before. So what I mean, easy. Not that easy, is it? It's a fair tight turn, that, isn't it? I missed it before as well on the first section. This is a bit of a, well, oh, it goes on that berm. That's where I didn't go before. Tell you what I haven't got on. Which I'm going to put on. I'll let these lot go through. I've got my goggles on. I had them on. I had them on before.
And I'd say it's all technique that if you've never, because apparently if you're supposed to lean it, slide it through, I don't know, I've not done much of this this Hare and Hound grass thing. To understand which what the technique is on grass. Oh, so that top inch of this soil now is quite loose now, so it's not exactly grippy, but it's been easier than this is a bit of a rough bit. Gets a bit technical and thing down here. You just don't know whether stand up, sit down, or what really. So there's burns in it, which is nice. Get a bit of finger pump on clutch. Oh yeah. No need for that at all, is there? What do you do inside? Fucking neutral. No wonder it stopped. Fell over. See what I mean about momentum? We stopped. I tried to change gear, and we're in neutral. Didn't have a gear, and then that's what happens. Fucking falls over on you. Just that the arrows are on the other side of the on the other side of the post. So I was thinking, how come? So I thought, oh, we've come the wrong way side, but no, we haven't. it's fairly bumpy down here. Not much commentary, sorry. Hell, it's bumpy around here, isn't it? It's like round and the old magic roundabout. Nothing magic about it. We're about the end of the short lap. Wow. Oof. Now that's a fair lap, isn't it? So we'll probably put the other half on next time, and we'll go and do the longer one and see what that turns out like. Alright, as I say, see you in a bit.
So there you go, YouTubers. Here we are, like I said. No. So there you go, YouTubers. A full day at Gilgarran. I'll put the details down below of exactly where this place is, when it's on, the Facebook site and everything. And if you're in the area, as they say, get on it and see what you think. Like I say, it's 30 quid here. Bike washing facilities, I think it's 3 quid. Some places charge you 40 quid for a day, you can wash your bike for free, but that's different here. Might be changing that, I don't know. Food, everything. There's plenty of parking, plenty of stuff for everybody. So yeah, if you're in the area, fancy a bit, get yourself down. As they say, see you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.